This is a GoPro Hero 10 and today we're going to be reviewing it, and I'm going to show you how I've used it and how you might want to consider buying one. I've been using it for 1 year and I think it's a really great action camera. And without further ado, let's get into the review. The GoPro comes with its own box and this is what it looks like. Undoing it, you can see the camera. This is what it looks like. It has its tap display screen and it has another screen so you can see what you're filming when you're pointing it at it yourself. It has a charging port for 2 of the batteries that it comes with, and it charges USB-C. These are the 2 batteries that it comes with. I'm pretty sure that it's compatible with other GoPro batteries as well. And then it comes with its own GoPro charging USB-C. It also has a little net right here if you want to store extra accessories. But yeah, I like this case. I take it wherever I go when I'm using my GoPro, and I think it's pretty cool. You can fit it in like any backpack. It's about the size of my hand. I don't know if my hand is small, but it's handheld, so it's pretty lightweight and carryable. In order to use the GoPro, you're going to need a SSD card such as this. I'm pretty sure you can just buy them at Walmart, but 64 gigabytes, 4K, 30 FPS, all that fun stuff would be preferable for the GoPro, but it fits right there. The battery goes in just like this, and I like this little tab thing so you can easily pull it out as well. Turning it on is as simple as pressing the power button and then waiting. While I show you some footage I captured, I'm just going to talk about the GoPro. The GoPro build quality is solid and it maintains GoPro's signature ruggedness. The compact size and lightweight design makes it easy to carry on for any adventure. Plus, new front-facing camera is a game changer for framing your shots and capturing selfies effortlessly. The image and video quality of the GoPro Hero 10 are amazing. The Hero 10 has an upgraded processor and the results are stunning. The 23 megapixel sensor delivers crisp and vibrant images, while the 5.3K video recording at 60 frames per second ensures your videos are silky smooth and are packed with detail. Whether you're shooting in broad daylight or low light conditions, the GoPro Hero 10 Black delivers consistently impressive results. The advanced features about the GoPro 10 is the HyperSmooth 4.0 stabilization, which is a game changer and it provides gimbal-like stability without the need for additional accessories. The TimeWarp 4.0 allows for dynamic time-lapse videos, and the improved night-lapse mode captures stunning low-light scenes. With 1080p live streaming and a variety of creative shooting modes, the possibilities are endless. Navigating through menu and settings is a breeze. Touchscreen is responsive. It's easy for both beginners and seasoned users to get the most out of their camera. The addition of voice control further enhances the hands-free experience, allowing you to focus on your adventure while still capturing the perfect shot. While all of these things are pretty good, let's talk about the battery life. With the GoPro Hero 10, it comes with an improved battery that lasts longer than its predecessor, but the actual battery life may vary depending on the recording settings. I found it more sufficient for full day of shooting, and the ability to swap out batteries means you can keep the adventure going without any interruptions. I'd say that the GoPro Hero 10 is a great action camera if you're looking to get one. With its cool design and stellar image and video quality, advanced features, user-friendly interface, and improved battery life, it's a solid upgrade from the older ones. I'd say that the GoPro Hero 10 is really good. It served me pretty well. I don't have any disappointment with it. It's really good. I normally use it for biking or hiking, which is the video that I'm planning right now. But if you're just an adrenaline junkie, travel vlogger, someone who loves capturing life's adventures, I'd say that this camera would be pretty good for you. All you need to get is the there's a bundle on Amazon that you can get. There's a head mount, a bike helmet mount, and a body mount. If you get one of those, you're kind of just set. And you can also get a tripod or a selfie stick, which is also pretty good. And yeah, that's what I'd recommend. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you want to know what mic I'm using, I'm currently using a Blue Yeti and I have a review video on it if you want to go check that out. I also have another mic if you're looking for on the go. I'll link both of those. And if you want to get it on Amazon, I'll also link it. But yeah, if you like this, make sure to check out the rest of the videos on my channel and see you next time.